Okay, so I just pulled up to my cousin baby shower. Can you tell me what we here? What's going on?
Oh my, Joey look crusty.
Just tell me what's going on.
What do you think going on? Little something.
Tell them where we at.
Always ready for the camera. Shot of shit, man. Got the baby shower mask. Survived by the B-boy. You know what it is. This is crazy, bro. Talking about shot of shit, you know what it is.
Oh my God, Joe! I'm so proud of you. Let's take a picture.
Hold on. Say what's up, man. Where we at? Where we at? Tell me what's going on.
My hair not done. We're holding our wait. My hair not finished. One time waiting.
It's gonna be finished today?
Man, you know what it is. Taty baby shower, man.
You know they got me out here like a slave in this bitch.
I ain't even had to take all the
I ain't getting paid at all. You know, I'm tired.
It's all love. It's just.
Put it back. It's just there. Okay.
So tell them what's going on, Tom.
So, we taking care of the balloons. I did all the balloons around here. And the setup, the balloons here. And if you take your, you know, if you step outside, you'll see the balloons outside, and I did that. My mom helped with the honey jars. And I did treats, but you'll see that later.
Okay.
Yes, but I got a bonnet on. It's so ghetto. Why you can't do it after when I get
My bad. Tell them what's going on, bro.
Well, what's going on? Slashes. The biggest ones.
Ew.
Good. How about yourself?
Hello, welcome to Taty and Mark baby shower. I was the coordinator of the balloons and the treats on the table. What are you talking about? Sorry. Cut.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Spotlights, a big stage. And limousines. This is the way I see you in my dreams. Paparazzi flash, putting pictures of you. Girl, you know my bedroom wall. I'ma get again. I feel like 13, but I mean, since I fell in love, fell again. I'll be your groupie, baby.
We can't wait to see her. And Casa, now I sleep with her first.
You gotta pick up 30 pieces of trash.
Anyways, Tati.
Auntie, y'all leaving?
Yeah. I got clothes in the dryer and the washer I gotta put.
How you enjoyed yourself?
It was great. I had a great time. Everything was amazing.
Auntie Melissa, I was trying to get you saying, how was the whole day? Tell me about the whole event.
Oh, it was amazing. This
Give
is
me
my
a
first
hug.
granddaughter. I thank everybody for coming out. We had a great time. Thank you for coming.
Take your time.
I just want to lay down. My feet.
Some time today.
Look at my feet. Hurt so bad. You know what, Joe? Put that in your video. That was a, no, you know what? That was the real asshole stuff.
So getting on
That
the
was some
details.
real asshole stuff to
Stop
do.
doing that, Cho. Man, stop doing that.
London, you gonna pop those too?
Yeah,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hey, Demar, how was the night?
Great.
Okay.
Super great.
Pop them, you gotta pick
Yes,
it
sir.
up.
Night was great, baby.
Okay.
Did they thing, boy. Big 1-2. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Today was marvelous. 1,000 out of 1,000. Highly not recommend. No babies. If you want your feet hurting, back burning, ankles cracking, get pregnant. I'm just playing. It was great to have my friends and family with me. London! And Peyton. I said Peyton. Everybody was here. It was great. And then turn the camera to yourself. No, to yourself. Cheryl was here. Yep, block it. I love you. Bye.
Jerry, how was your day, man?
Man, it was great. It was a great baby shower. The games were great. The food was great. Everybody. You know what I'm saying? We've seen everybody here.
If y'all want some money, come pick up all that stuff.
Congratulations, Taty. Congratulations, Mark. Yeah, don't call me if y'all need a babysitter because I'm not. My sister. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Yeah. Those days are over for me. You know, I'm the rich aunt that travels and stuff like that. I ain't doing all that.
Y'all want to? It's a video.
Hey, y'all. Hey, world. You're welcome. Stop playing, stop playing, stop playing.
How you enjoyed yourself?
It was fun.
Yeah, but they're in my auntie house right now.
You look very good.
My feet hurt bad.
Who just took a gray
I'm
bag?
ready to sit down. I'm trying to call Tommy back.
Auntie,
Yes?
this not yours.
Huh?
This is my sister plate.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my. Wait. Nah. You messed it up. You know, like gnarly Tesla. Gnarly. Oh my God, it's real. Oh, we're such a tonight gang. Oh, going out tonight, gang gang. Oh my God, this song's so lit. Congratulations. Now you like gang. Gang, 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 gang. Yeah. Gnarly. Everything's gnarly. How do you like that?
Where the hell is my...
I'm making beats for burn dumb chick, freaking gnarly. Gnarly. Don't talk to me. You're gnarly. I'm not. Jealous of my mention. Yeah, the view is freaking gnarly. Hands up, Gabriella. Gabriella, hands up, Gabriella.
Okay.
So,
This show with this camera.
What's wrong with me?
It's you with this camera, real paparazzi, Bill. That's the real paparazzi.
Tubi.
No, Zeus. Zeus. Hey, Zeus. What up, Zeus? We got over here Mr. Dr. Zeus.
So funny.
I need that one.
We about to go. I'm about to go drop the kids off, and then we about to go to the studio.
Okay.
Come on, man. Y'all about to make me waste my food.
All right, Jamal.
For the planet, for this year.
How you enjoyed yourself, Mama?
I'm good. I'm just sleepy. Today was a good day with family, friends. It was fun. It was awesome.